Now, let's apply a primer. Squeeze a small amount, smooth it onto your cheeks, your forehead, and nose. This creates a perfect base. Let's move on to foundation. Dispense a small pump, apply dots on your face, blend it smoothly using a sponge. Dab it all over. Now, let's use a concealer. Apply dots under your eyes, around the nose, and on blemishes. Gently blend with a sponge. Dab smoothly for a flawless finish. Now, let's use a setting powder. Take a fluffy brush, apply it under your eyes, around the nose and T-zone. This gives a soft finish. Now, let's define the eyes next. Take a neutral brown shade, apply it to your crease using soft, sweeping motions. Blend seamlessly for a diffused look. Grab a black eyeliner pen, carefully draw a thin line, create a wing on both eyes. Now, grab your mascara, wiggle the wand and sweep upward.
Next, I take this peach pink blush, sweep it upwards from the apples of your cheeks. See that healthy glow? Now for this champagne highlighter. Apply it to your cheekbones and the bridge of your nose. To finish, I'm using this nude pink lipstick. Apply it evenly starting from the center of your lips. Carefully trace your Cupid's bow. Press your lips together to soften the look. Ready for the eyes? Let's use this fine black eyeliner pen.